Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter. On the equity market, stocks were busy this week with news of 3 acquisitions announced. Sagicor Investments Jamaica Limited purchased a 10% stake in Express Fitness Limited from Norbrook Equity Partners. The proceeds will be used to expand the company's footprint both locally and regionally. JMMB Group Limited has also confirmed completion of its acquisition of approximately 22.5% of the shares in Sagicor Financial Corporation Limited for a subscription amount of $250 million. Lastly, Kingston Wharves announced the acquisition of an additional 50% in SSL Real Estate Investment Trust Limited at a cost of $473,000. This acquisition will see SSL REIT becoming a subsidiary of Kingston Wharves Limited. On the money market, the BOJ's 30-day CD that was issued last week offered $10 billion. The offer was oversubscribed by $7.34 billion from 25 bids. 11 of these bids were successful, and the average yield for these successful bids was 0.97%. On the bond market, last month, Ecuador's 8.875% 2027 bonds lost over $12 in trading on November 18th to close at $70. This was due to news that Congress had rejected tax reform measures geared towards reducing the country's fiscal deficit and meet the terms of a $4.2 billion financing agreement with the International Monetary Fund. However, on December 10th, it was announced that the Economic Committee of Ecuador's National Assembly voted to approve the fast-tracking of the tax reform, which caused the bonds to rally. On the 10th, the bonds closed at $84, erasing the previous loss. There have also been 2 rating upgrades in the Caribbean in the last week. Following its debt exchange, Barbados has been upgraded from default status to B-, with a stable outlook by S&P Global Ratings. Jamaica has also received a rating upgrade by Moody's Investment Services from B3 to a B2 with stable outlook. On the foreign exchange market activity has remained relatively low within the past week. The BOJ's weighted average selling rate appreciated by 39 cents from $134.95 on December 4th to $134.56 on December 11th. Contact your expert VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.